Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell Pro 14 Plus driver. So first you have to come this site www.dell.com, this official website. After that click to support and then click driver and download, and this is a search box to type Dell Pro 14 Plus. So you can see others also showing here. So all the driver download and installations process same. Okay. So select this. If you are using different, so select this, no worry. But driver installations and driver download process same. So after that, you can see this. There are two window to install the driver. First is automatic and second is manual. Manual means specific driver you are facing some issues related the cameras and sound and LAN and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So if you need only specific driver you have to update, then you can select this one. Okay, and suppose you are otherwise you are facing some issues and this is automatic means it will check the required driver to your system and then it will install automatically. But select this driver. Okay, yeah, this is your laptop and scroll down the click to categorize, then scroll down, find out network ethernet wireless, like this is network and ethernet wireless, and this is a Bluetooth driver. Okay, you can see this is updated size and 17 MB, and click to download, then it will start downloading and it will complete in the seconds. Okay, then it is completed, then single click to open, after that click yes for the administrates. Okay, this is first option is you can install directly and second is extract and after that install. Okay, so select the first, then click to continue. After that it's driver installing. Yeah, it is done, and then close it.